Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use FNB Virtual Card in store. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FNB account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on FNB? It's pretty simple. Launch a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In your search bar, type fnb.co.za and it's going to take you to this fantastic window. So from here, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on register and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to the home page where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in FNB. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into how we can use FNB Virtual Card in store. So let's say you are in the store and you want to pay using your FNB Virtual Card. Here is exactly what you can do to use your virtual card. Okay. Number one, make sure your Android has NFC turned on. All right. Then unlock your smartphone. Step 3, tap the unlocked phone on the POS device and hold for a few seconds. Step 4, a push notification will arrive once the payment is successful. Now, for payment over a certain amount, you may need to enter your PIN on the card machine. Please see above how to manage and view your PIN. That's if you're using the POS machine in the store that you want to make purchases on. So make sure your Android has NFC turned on. After that, unlock your smartphone, tap the unlock phone, so you have to click on tap the unlock phone on the POS device and hold for a few seconds. And then the push notification will arrive once the payment is successful. For payments over a certain amount, you may need to enter your PIN on the card machine. That's your FNB card PIN on the POS machine, and that's going to be, so that's one of the steps. That's to use POS. So the next step is shop seamless with checkout. Now, how does this work? Now, on the merchant's website or app, that if you're using okay, this is in store. Let's say you get into the store and you want to use the store's website to make this payment. All right, go ahead and select FNB during that FNB page during the checkout. So you receive a notification on your FNB application. Once you have done that, open the notification and authenticate yourself. Then select the card, that's the FNB card you want to make payment. Then select confirm to make the payment. Confirmation of payment will be displayed on the merchant website or app. So that's if you're using the merchant website or app. Then the next is you can also use Scan to Pay. And how do you use Scan to Pay? Log into your FNB app and then select the QR code icon, which is on the top right corner of your screen. All right, so once you get to the store, they can scan your FNB app. And once that's done, then payment is going to be made. Or this is another option, log into the FNB app and then go to Pay and then select Pay, followed by Scan to Pay. So go to Pay from the home page, select Pay, and then select Scan to Pay. And then that's just going to be it. They'll be able to, the store will be able to scan your QR code and make payments like that very fast, quick, and easy. So these are the 3 steps that you can take to use FNB Virtual Card in store. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.